And back. Boys cross. And back. Hands out to the side. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, back. Swing. Move on to the next group. Go. Girls cross. Boys cross. And back. Hand out. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, back. Swing. On to the next group. Go. Well done. Girls cross. Back. Boys cross. Come back. Hands out. Swing. One more time.